Socks printing, a step-by-step guide for beginners. Ever wondered how those awesome custom socks are made? This video unveils the secrets behind sock printing, revealing the process from start to finish. Join us as we take you through the steps of creating your own unique designs. Welcome to the world of custom socks. Next, let us explore in depth how a pair of ordinary white socks completes this gorgeous transformation. Through the collision of exquisite craftsmanship and fantastic ideas. Essential equipment needed: digital socks printing machine, sublimation inks, socks oven, socks cotton or polyester blend, and design software. Step 1. Open Photoshop, Illustrator, or Canva to start digitally creating sock patterns. After importing the material image, adjust the composition ratio according to the length of the socks and the wearing parts, such as the sock opening, sock surface, or sock heel, to make the pattern fit the curve of the sock perfectly. Whether it is a bold design with full print or a delicate pattern with partial embellishment, it can be accurately presented here. Step 2. Import the prepared image into the ripping software. Here we use Neostampa. Select a suitable ICC curve to perform color management on the image. Step 3 is to import the ripped file into the printing software and click Print. Step 4. Put the printed socks into the sock oven for color development. Step 5. Count the quantity and pack and ship according to customer needs. Don't let your imagination stay in your mind. Open the design software now. Turn your ideas into patterns. Start with white socks. And start this creative journey full of infinite possibilities with your own hands.